Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 and give you our initial thoughts on it. So we just got this in the mail. It took a while for Google to finally get it out, but there's been a high demand and nationwide shortage on all kinds of stuff, and we did order, let's get that out of the way, the actual 30-watt USB-C plug, because like all new phones in today's era, they do not bring the plugs anymore. So iPhone started doing this a few years ago. I believe it was with the iPhone 11, if I'm not mistaken. And the 12, of course, I know the 12 for sure didn't have the plugs, and the 13s don't either. So it looks like not only Apple, but most companies now, just to save space and have a thin box like this one, versus this is the previous Google Pixel 4a with 5G. So you can see the difference in the thickness of the box. They're just, if they can get more of these in a pallet, they'll ship them out. And they know that most people, if you have a computer or a plug already, all you need is the actual cable, which already comes with it. So let's go ahead and check it out. And I don't think I'll need a blade for this. Just peel that and peel this. Let's get the plug out of the way. Let's go ahead and open it up. So there it is. So you can see it is glossy. Those were not marks, those were just dust marks, but you can see the camera array. Looks pretty stylish, actually. Very nice looking phone. So let's take it out of there. Little pull tab so you don't drop this on the floor. You've seen those videos on YouTube where people are dropping their phones on the floor all the time. And it actually brings a white cover on there. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So it boots up pretty quick. We just turned it on. So there's your boot. First boot on the Pixel 6. And you can see you have all your setup information there. It's actually giving you like a quick, like a pulsing, almost like a vibrate on the phone. And what else comes with it? Let's put this to the side. As we mentioned before, it does bring the USB-C to USB-C connectors. And this is, let's say you have an iPhone or another phone that has a USB, and you want to transfer the information from the phone to here. There is a way that Pixel lets you do it. But if both of the phones you have USB-C, you just plug this on both phones, and you can easily transfer all your data, pictures, and everything from one phone to another without having to use Wi-Fi, for example. But you can also do this, I guess, if you have a USB. I'll show you what I mean here. So if you had an iPhone and you're switching from Apple to Pixel, what you do is you plug this here, like this, plug this into your Pixel, plug this into your iPhone, and you can easily transfer all the data from your iPhone into your Pixel. But if you, let's say you don't have an iPhone, you have another phone that's got a different connector, that's not a lightning connector, but it's got a USB on one end, just put the cable here, plug the other end into your older phone, and then this into your Pixel, and you'll easily be transferring the data from your older phone into your new Pixel phone. That includes everything: contacts, photos, files, whatever you choose. They make it easy to switch from any type of phone to the other. Now, I like this cable. It is very, very thick. In my opinion, it's I would say 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit more than that, maybe 9/16 of an inch. I'm not sure, but it looks like a very good quality cable. It does not look flimsy. In contrast, this is an original iPhone cable. Look at the thickness. Okay, you can see where, I mean, high quality cable, not cheap stuff. Let's see what else they decided to put in the box. Little manual. I'm assuming, yeah, there's your SIM card key to open your SIM tray and transfer everything as far as your cellular carrier information from your existing phone into your new Pixel replacement phone. So we're going to go ahead and start using this one for a little while, and perhaps we'll do another video in the future on what we feel, what we like about it. Currently, we've been using the Pixel 4a with 5G. It's been solid for us. The Pixel 6 also brings 5G in the box. It's got better photography. As you've seen the commercials, you know that you can take something out of the picture. You can mess around with different types of pictures that you've taken. We're going to be doing that too. We're going to be messing around with the phone, basically trying it out and seeing how well it performs, particularly the camera. That's what we got it for. Particularly, we like to shoot photos of nature. If you go out on a hiking trail, if you go to walk on the park, you see a squirrel, whatever, you can take pictures of it. Now you can edit them like we've never been able to do before. And then also the phone brings a better chip. So Google decided to do their own chips now instead of having someone else do their chip. I'll tell you what, we will go and produce a video on the plug, because 30 watts, that's pretty fast, but is it really going to do it at 30 watts? I'm very curious. So in the future, we're going to make a video if this plug actually does give you 30 watts on the phone. Now, we are also waiting for Google to send us the wireless charger, which has been, like, it's not available. They said they'll let us know when it's available. Also, something that we didn't get in the box, but they're including when you buy it straight from Google, is a $99 value, which is the Pixel Buds. So we already went in the Google site today and applied for it. It should be coming our way soon. So maybe by the time, I don't know, maybe I'll just review this right after doing this video. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and we will continue making videos related to cellular phones and anything. If you have any questions or something that you'd like to see on our channel, go ahead and put your comments down below, and we will look at them and try to make a video on something that you might be putting on there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. You all have a great day.